Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Overall Solutions. Today's video is about Wacom tab, Wacom or One by Wacom tab. So it is a creative pen tablet. You can see the box is in my hand. So it is a very beautiful box because the color combination they have used is very nice. So today we will unbox this Wacom tab, One by Wacom. So actually it is a creative pen tablet, or you can say it is a touchpad, where you can use a pen and you can attach it with your laptop, and then you can just, if you will draw anything on it, if you have installed this driver properly, and then it will start working on your computer too. So first of all, let us see what is there outside this box. So you can see here it is a One by Wacom and it is a creative pen tablet. It looks like this, and it comes in two models like black and red, and in this box I think we have only black color model. And you can see there is a pen or touch pen, we can call it. So this touch pen is also non-chargeable and there is no need of any battery to use it. And this tab or this pad is also non-chargeable. Whenever you will connect this with your computer or laptop, it will start working automatically. Alright, so let us see what is behind this box. So you can see there are some instructions they have given us about the tablet, and similarly there is a model. Here is a model CTL472 and KOCX. So this is a model of this One by Wacom tablet. There are so many variations available in the market, but this variation I hope it will be available around 3 to 4,000 Indian rupees easily. You can buy it from internet, or you can buy it from any electronical shop also. So let us know first that what is the use of this tablet, what is the use of this creative pen tablet. Nowadays you can see, as lockdown period was going on, but still the online classes are going on for college students as well as school students. So it is very helpful for the teachers as well as for the students. For example, if a teacher wants to show a PPT on his or laptop, then they can just easily use this pad with their laptop, and they can just draw anything, they can just point over anything, they can highlight anything using this tab. So this is very beautiful thing, and I will just prefer for teachers, for students, because it will help in their academic things, academic sessions. So let us unbox this now. So you can see there is another gray color box here. So let us open this box now. So first of all, the thing that we can see here is the Wacom tab. This is the around 6-inch tab. So it is a huge thing, and it will be very easy to just draw anything on it and to use it. So let us see what are the other things available in this box. So again, the thing is, this is a USB cable. With that we will be able to attach it with our laptop. And here is the touch pen. This is a touch pen that is non-chargeable, and whenever you will connect your tab to your laptop, it will start working automatically. And here I can see a manual. Two manuals are there. This is a cover and this is the manual. So you can just go through the manuals to see some instructions there, that what to do or what not to do. Here you can see CTL472, CTL672. So this tab is CTL472 model, but 672 model is little bit costly than this model. Okay, so here you can see it is also again showing how you can use this tab, how you can attach it with your laptop, how you can use your pen when it will show that it is attached with your laptop. Okay, so let us see now about this pen. So this is a touch pen, you can see, and the one more interesting thing is there, that we can just reattach its knob. So let us see if we have some tools over here. Yes, here you can see in this box, yes, some extra knobs are there, nibs are there. So you can just use this tool to remove the nib. Just use this tool like this and just grab the nib and just remove it from the pen. So this is how you can just remove the knob if it is not working properly, and we have some separate knobs also. So to attach it, it is very simple. Just put it inside the pen and it will be attached. So this is your Wacom pen tablets touch pen. So let us see now how this tab looks like. So you can see there is a lamination over here. So if I will remove the lamination, so this is how your tab will look like. Okay, so this is the background of this tab. So Again, on the background you will see some instructions are there, model number is there, from where it is imported, and so many other things. And there are small dots here on the tab surface that will just allow you to draw anything or to use it properly with your laptop or computer. So there is a little bit very small LED here. I think whenever we will connect this with my laptop or computer, it will be turned on so that we can easily know that my tab is connected with my laptop. So guys, this is all about your Wacom tab. So it is very easy to just use this pen over this tablet or pad, because we are already using our mouse touch pads for our laptops. So it is similar to that, but I think that we need some practice. We need some practice if you want to work with it properly. So thank you very much guys. Just subscribe to our channel, and I hope you have liked the video. And so we will come with another video, and thank you very much. Have a good day.